Alright, we're going to play around a little bit because I got a ring light system and I moved my desk around just a tiny, tiny bit. And I think I made it worse with things, so we'll see how it works. Um, I'm just going to write in here Wednesday. Uh, we went to breakfast at a place called Cackleberries. And I need to look up to see how they spell bears. Let's see. Cackleberries for breakfast. And we got to my son's and open presents. I want it to be just a little bit different, so I'll go in with this blue. We have a wedding date. Yay! Okay. The kids were asked to be part of the ceremony, which is super exciting. Then Thursday morning, what did we do Christmas morning? Megan's mom was there, and the kids opened presents. Went to my mother-in-law's and hung out with the babies. I hung out with the babies. Everybody else hung out with the adults. Um, we stayed in at Austin and Megan's on Friday. Friday. Then we went to the casino and lost all our money. Alright, then on Saturday, I took my daughter-in-law and my daughter, and we got this permanent jewelry. And because I have to have still some breast cancer treatment stuff, I had them put clasps on mine, but long enough that they can make it permanent if they want. So we did that on Saturday. So I did want to give her a review. It was a lot of fun. She was super duper nice. She had a boutique in her basement of her house, and it was so cute. Okay. Then we went to my mom's. Oh, then after my mom's, we went back to my son's house, and his best friend brought his babies over, so we got more baby lovings. Oops. We got them some cowboy boots for Christmas. Okay, hold on. The weather stayed pretty decent the whole time we were there until we come home. And then it was raining and the temperature was starting to drop. I get home at around 7:30. Alright, so here is, well, I don't know if I like that on that desk. I ended up with a cold, or I think it's strictly just sinuses, but my eyes are itchy and tired, and just yesterday and today, a lot of mucus and snotty grossness. So here is December 22nd through 28th, done and ready to post. Let's write in today. So I will move this one out of the way. This is the last week in this one. I think that's why I had that thing down on here, because it doesn't float around. Oh, this is the new layout. Okay. Okay. Nancy's still on winter break. What else can I write in here? Oh, we got better internet. And then he made fish and chips for dinner. Alright. Thanks for planning along with me for my weekend away over Christmas. And I'll see you guys pretty soon.